In today's session, we'll explore the topic of noise pollution in urban areas. Noise pollution refers to disruptive or excessive sounds that interfere with normal living conditions. Recently, there has been growing recognition of its harmful effects, particularly in urban environments, on human health and well-being. While air and water pollution are well documented, noise pollution has received comparatively less attention, especially regarding its psychological and social consequences. Urban noise arises from multiple sources. The most prominent are transportation systems. Vehicles like cars, buses, trains, and airplanes consistently produce noise in densely populated areas. Construction work also contributes significantly, as machinery and equipment operate at high decibel levels over long durations. On a smaller scale, everyday noises such as loud music, public announcements, and household appliances also add to the overall noise levels.